Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What's your name?
My name is Sumaya.
Okay, very good. Your name is Sumaya. But tell me, how is drinking? Dear mom, what you are drinking? Drinking?
Drinking milk.
Okay, very good. You are drinking milk. It's a very good girl. You are drinking milk. Sumaya, do you love English?
Yes.
Okay, very good. You love English. It's another good news for me. Sumaya, dear mom, do you love this cow? Dear mom, do you love this cow?
Yes, I love.
Okay, thanks. Very good. My younger daughter Sumaya, he love cow. And really, we have to love animal because it's our, we can say, duty or responsibility. As you know, I'm an English learner. That's why I'm making videos. At first, I want to learn. After that, I wanna teach my children, and I think it will be very good job for us, and not only for me. Everybody, we should learn first. So Maya, dear mom, look here. Everybody, we should learn English. After that, we can teach our children. It will be very great job for us because my children and your children, she or he don't know how to speak English. But if we try, আমার দিকে তাকাও, if we try, it will be very easy for children. I'm not teaching, I'm learning. That's why I'm sharing with everyone. I'm standing before my house, and it's a morning time, a very good time to speak English, to learn English or making videos. If I try every single day, inshallah one day I will be able to speak English fluently or